Hey, what's good, YouTube man? We're back again with another vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be breaking down and show you my trades, the trades that I took in the morning. So yeah, and as you can see, I took a buy from British pound USD. So as you can see, the time frame is 1 minute. So I scalp. I'm a scalper. My entries are basically 5 minutes or 1 minute. And then I start analyzing from my daily time frame. I look at the trend, whether is it buying or is it selling, so that I can get my daily bias, so I can understand whether are we buying or are we selling today. So I don't want to get into much details because I don't want to make the video very long. But yeah, I took a buy from British pound. I took a buy from British pound. I will put my MetaTrader screenshot there that showcased my buys. I took 2 buys, as you can see, but I will really show you guys. I'll put a screenshot, and then I will put a screenshot for my withdrawal. Yeah, I think I need to also show that. Yeah, so I don't know if you want me to go into details on how I took my trades and how I analyze. We're definitely gonna do that. But yeah, for now, I can show you. I took my first buy here, then I came back. I took another buy when it came here, but not here specifically. Let me do like this. Yeah, so I took another buy after it changed trend, after it stopped going down. When it started going up, took a buy because it was still on my support. So yeah, basically that's it. There's other pairs that I did analyze. Let me show you a quick so because I don't really want to make the video very long, so I don't go into much details. Let me yeah, the Euro USD, I did also analyze it, but I didn't trade. I didn't take the buy because I didn't want to take too many trades. I just only analyzed it. So if also I took a buy also here, as you can see, it would have hit my take profit before it hit my stop loss. But I didn't take this this trade. I didn't take this trade because with that I did hit my, well, I didn't hit my take profit. I almost hit my take profit, so I was like, I'm done for the day. So let's go to another pair that I did analyze, so we don't make the video quite long. Let me go to this, the Euro USJP USD. I also analyzed it, but it doesn't want to go there. But yeah, man, if you want me to dive in more details, I can definitely do that in terms of the things that I do when I analyze. How do I analyze my confirmation when it comes to my entries and things like that? But for now, I just wanted to make a quick video. So yeah, man, we out. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll definitely catch you guys on